today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create a new Google Apps script using Google Drive. This is a simple process that allows you to automate tasks, connect to external services, and integrate with various Google Workspace applications. Let's dive right in. First, you need to navigate to Google Drive. Open your preferred web browser and type in the URL drive.google.com or simply search for Google Drive and click on the link in the search results. You may need to log in with your Google account if you haven't done so already. Google Drive is your central hub for file storage and additional Google services, and knowing how to access it will streamline many of your tasks. Once you're on the Google Drive homepage, turn your attention to the upper left corner of the screen where you will find the New button. Clicking this will open a drop-down menu with several options. This is the starting point for creating new documents, spreadsheets, and more. Now let's go ahead and select More from the drop-down menu to reveal an expanded list of options that you might not typically see at first glance. This list includes a variety of features that enhance your Google Drive experience by integrating with tools like Google Drawings, Forms, and more importantly, Google Apps Script, which is what we're focusing on today. Clicking on Google Apps Script will open a new tab or window in your browser. It's important to note that a new tab means you're essentially opening a separate workspace, so feel free to switch between your Drive and this script editor as needed. Here, you can write and execute custom scripts to automate tasks across your Google Workspace environment. Upon initiating the Google Apps script, you may encounter a pop-up notification. This pop-up will alert you that all collaborators on your Google Drive folder will have access to the created script file. This is a standard security feature, reminding you to consider who can view and edit the scripts you build. Collaboration is a powerful feature, but always be mindful of who you wish to grant access to for any specific file. Finally, click on Create Script to proceed. This simple action completes the setup process, and your Google Apps script is now ready for you to develop, debug, and deploy useful automations. You're all set to begin crafting scripts that can help automate workflows, connect APIs, or expand functionalities within your Google Workspace applications. And there you have it. A quick and easy way to create a Google Apps script using Google Drive. With these steps, you can begin automating tasks and enhancing your productivity. Thanks for watching, and get ready to explore the endless possibilities that Google Apps Script brings to your fingertips.